When I came to Lifestyles, was I a millionaire? No. So when I joined Lifestyles, me and my wife are both veterans. I worked narcotics, I worked explosives, I was a dog handler, I love serving my country, I love my country, I'm a patriot, okay? My wife was in the Air Force as well. She was a captain in the Air Force. So I got out of the military, I opened up some small business, some of you know the story, stereo stores, car lots. I'm from a place called Reading, Pennsylvania. Hardworking people, middle class, right? Here's what happened to me in 2009, that's when I joined. I was in the very first class Del Walmsley taught. There's 8 people in the room. I was skeptical, is this real, right? My wife makes 65 grand a year. I had a free and clear house. I had no credit card debt. I had a large portfolio. What do I mean? Large cap, mid cap, small cap, some overseas funds. $500,000, well diversified. Between the years of 2008 and April 2009 when I joined, I was so good in the stock market, I turned that $500,000 to $70,000. God bless America. Anybody else lose money in the stock market? There's a point where you say, when is enough? Or I'm sick and tired of losing money. I came to Lifestyles. I bought my first house for $3,000. I turned it $29,000. That's a 967% return. Who'd like to make that? I want to prove to you guys that you can all do this. Real people, real results. My wife made 65 grand a year. I had $70,000. Fast forward till now. You hear me in my seminars all the time. I have $8 million. I had to do something called a PFS, or personal financial statement, because I just had to sign on a $3 million loan. I'm worth $10 million this year. Who'd like to turn 70 grand to $10 million? Did it happen overnight? See, that's what's cool about Lifestyles. We don't let broke people teach you. You want to learn from millionaires. You understand that? The point is if you want to do something, you do it. You don't talk about it, you don't think about it, you don't put it off. Does everybody understand that? You have to set goals, you have to meet them. If you don't take a pen and put it to paper with purpose and write things down, it will not happen. Have an action plan and retire yourself in 5 years less. Thank you all. Take care.